It's a disaster. I forgot about this piece and it says best before 28th of Jan. I am not going to be chucking angel cake in the bin. I have no custard in the house, so I'll be having it dry. This is a big piece as well. That top bit is my favourite, so I'm gonna do it layer by layer. They look like I'm washing up sponges. Sometimes I like a dry angel cake. And what I mean by dry is no custard. It is not dry. I just love how dense it is. Like, you can peel it, you know? The Leaning Tower of Pisa. The top section is definitely the best. Because you've got that bit of soggy sweetness. Oh dear. You guys are so funny. In my breakfast post today, somebody said Duolingo, and it actually looks like Duolingo. And somebody said something Henry the Monster, and I had to Google it, and it looked like it. And then egg bra, an egg owl. Do you know what is good about it not having custard? Is that it lasts longer. With the custard, it just melts it for you. Whereas without it, you have to chew it more and you can almost enjoy it longer. Yeah, I'm glad I did that without the custard. Anyway, guys, you've been on my case about the remaining part of the angel cake and it's gone now. No more. No more requests, because I will read them.